a vision becomes reality. The demonstration of the Networked Asset Administration Shell project shows how, with the help of standardized digital twins, so-called asset administration shells, smart factories and machines are becoming a part of future Digital Industry 4.0 ecosystems. Autonomous digital twins directly interact with each other and make decisions entirely without a central control component. Smart products, machines, and factories work together within companies and beyond corporate boundaries. An example: the asset administration shell of a product knows its manufacturing steps and their requirements, and looks for machines or production sites to carry out the respective production steps with required parameters at a specified time and within a certain price range. The major benefit: companies can ad hoc incorporate skills and capacities from other firms into their own production system, so they can temporarily expand their own manufacturing range. At the same time, their own free production capacities can be offered on the market, so their machines can achieve greater utilization.